These fish tanks have been here for about 20 years. They were installed the year after the building was built, and so they've been just a part of this building for a really long time. But because they've been here so long, they're starting to start falling apart. After we looked at it more closely and talked to the local fish stores who've dealt with tanks like these before, it looks like the seals on the tanks themselves are actually failing, which means that we're looking at probably some pretty catastrophic failure happening in the near future. There's 600 gallons of water in these fish tanks. 600 gallons of water is enough to flood even into the chapel. Our plan is to have a freshwater tank, a brackish water tank, and then a saltwater tank as well. The art department uses the fish tanks to display their ceramics from 3D design. Obviously, the science department will be using this to study ecosystems, water quality, fluid dynamics, microorganisms, all sorts of things in science. But we also have the foods classes involved because we are looking at doing hydroponics over the freshwater tank, where we're looking at growing the herbs and stuff that they use in class so they can actually use fresh herbs without having to go and buy them. Upgrades like that, which will really allow the students to get involved and make these tanks actually usable in the classroom.